Have you ever made dinner for friends? Listen to this story and learn about 3 irregular past simple verbs related to cooking. Cut, made, and set. Last night, I invited my friends to my home for dinner. I cut a lot of vegetables and I made a soup. After I finished cooking, I set the table for my friends. They really enjoyed the meal. The past simple forms of cut, make, and set are irregular because they don't end in ed. I cut stays I cut, I make becomes I made, and I set stays I set. Now it's your turn. Write a sentence in the past simple for each of the following verbs. This is American English. Thank you for watching.